Today, we're going to learn about something super important in our bodies, the muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. Muscles are stretchy tissues that move parts of our body. We have more than 600 muscles. Muscles help us do everything, from lifting our arms to running and jumping. They give us strength and the ability to move. But muscles do more than just help us move. They also keep our heart beating and help us breathe. Amazing, right? There are three main types of muscles in our body: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Let's learn a bit about each one. First, we have skeletal muscles. These are the muscles we can see and feel. They are attached to our bones and help us move. For example, when you flex your arms, you're using your biceps, a type of skeletal muscle. Next, we have smooth muscles. These muscles are found inside our organs, like the stomach and intestines. They help move food through our digestive system. We can't control smooth muscles, they work automatically. Lastly, we have cardiac muscles. These are found only in the heart. They work non-stop to pump blood throughout our body. Cardiac muscles are very strong and never get tired. Now, here are some fun facts about muscles. Did you know that the strongest muscle in your body, based on its size, is the masseter? It's the muscle in your jaw that helps you chew. The muscles that control your eyes are the fastest. They allow you to blink up to 20 times per minute. Did you know that even when you're standing still, your muscles are working hard to keep you balanced and upright? Great job, everyone! You've learned so much about the muscular system. See you next time. Goodbye.